Cardano is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. If you guys want more updates in terms of charts and actually how to trade, make sure to check out the Telegram link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Cardano yesterday, we saw a very large bearish engulfing candle and a beautiful wick going all the way down to our 33-cent exponential moving average. As of right now, we are still holding above this crucial support level, but there are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one, I mentioned the fact that as long as we hold above this support level, we could be looking for a stronger bullish case confirmation. But the only thing that, of course, is bothering me is the fact that you can see in terms of RSI, we are in extreme overbought conditions, as well as the fact you can see that we have now created another midterm resistance here at 35 cents. We have multiple retests of this confirmation with a failure pattern, as well as the fact it looks like the exponential moving averages are now heading into consolidation state. When you have these many bearish influences, of course, being factored in, we could be expecting a larger pullback to the downside. The question, of course, is going to be where exactly will that pullback end? As of right now, we do have weekend volume and a lack of liquidity, so we have to keep that in mind, but I would be expecting a stronger pullback to around the 28-cent support level. The reason why this level, of course, is very important is from previous price analysis. This was a level that we actually used once we broke above resistance, and then we had that continuation. When we broke above this level here around the 30 cents, I mentioned the fact that I will be waiting for the pullback before the continuation, but you can see we never really saw that pullback opportunity. Right now, Cardano is in a beautiful ladder case upwards, so this scenario doesn't necessarily have to play out, but I'm just letting you guys know I'm not looking for any sort of long positions until this pullback happens. There's a few reasons for that, of course. Number one being the fact that you don't want to be entering a long position when you are in extreme overbought conditions. The reason why, of course, is the fact that if you get caught in between the pullback opportunity, you don't necessarily know if this will become the local top. You can see Cardano had a massive run up from all the way here at 23 cents and a beautiful continuation. So we have to be careful about looking for that overall long play because of the fact that if we do see a pullback and it continues breaking to the downside, then you will be caught in a massive position. I mentioned in yesterday's video that I'm still focusing more in terms of a bullish case scenario around the 44-cent resistance because, of course, that's pretty much where the move set started, and that's where the bullish case scenario is looking likely to end. Of course, this would become invalidated if we actually did end up breaking below the support level and retesting it as resistance. That would be our confirmation to start entering those shorting positions for our overall play. Right now, Cardano was in extreme oversold conditions from this whole way through. A lot of people were bearish, calling it dead coin, and usually that's an indicator to start looking for the overall long positions, because when everyone else is bearish, you tend to do opposite of what everyone else thinks. That's exactly how the markets work, and that's exactly how trading psychology works. So what we wanted to see, of course, was that retest on this 23-cent support level. We never really saw that retest, but this relief rally was much needed. Now, I don't want to jump ahead and say that the bull run is back on Cardano, because we saw the same relief rally over here at 34 cents all the way up to 44 before that continuation to the downside. Right now, Cardano has been creating new lows, and of course, every pump doesn't mean the fact that this is our bullish case scenario. Of course, this would change if we got any break above this key blue line over here at 46 to 49, but as of right now, Cardano is still in a major downtrend aspect. Even on the hourly time frames, you can see that we are testing these exponential moving averages as well as the support line multiple times, and this could easily be looking for a larger pullback to the downside later on tonight. On the daily time frames, I did want to talk about a few things because this is pretty interesting to see. Right now, in terms of Cardano being overbought, we are in extreme overbought conditions, but if you guys are paying attention, we actually got a beautiful wick retesting those previous highs at 36.7. Immediately after, you can see we saw some bearish volume come in, but we are holding above the 34-cent support line with multiple retest opportunities. I would wait for the second and third test confirmation before that continuation, but if you guys pay attention, and we have yet to test our 20 exponential moving averages since this move set pretty much started. Where exactly does that 28-cent line us with? It lines up with around that 30-cent support line, but I wouldn't be surprised to see that wick opportunity and then the continuation. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.